Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Mani by Me subscription box from Maniology. This is the September box, and I believe this month's theme is Halloween, like tiki theme. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the box opened. And look at this, how cute this is. Yes, it's like tiki. I love it. Are you brave enough for our creepy tiki nail stamping collection? Surrender to the mystic allure of our limited edition Hawaiian Halloween theme. Craft mesmerizing manicures alongside deadly dancers, surfing vampires, and ghoulish tiki dancers. Every manicure will be a haunting masterpiece ready for a happy Halloween night. So we get Corpse Reviver. It's a thrilling purple glow-in-the-dark nail polish. And then Zombie Hut is a light green stamping polish with a cream finish. And then for our free gift, we're going to get a 5-piece double-ended dotting tool and detail liner brush set. So yes, excited for that. And then this is just a card here that shows some inspo of a little set that they did. You can do some reverse stamping, which I'm probably going to do in my little demo. So we're going to go ahead and look at everything. Look at this tissue paper. Oh my goodness. It's super, super cute. I love it. So we're going to take a look at the free gift this month. And this is the 5-piece brush set. They have glitter handles. Alright, so we get 5 brushes, and then they have dotting tools on the end. And then we're going to take a look at the brushes here. And there's different size brushes. You can see that super small one, and then there's a longer one, all different sizes. So yeah, you can use these brushes also for reverse stamping. So yeah, I'm excited to try the brushes out and see how they do. Look at this cute little sticker here, Abracadabra, super cute. I always love their stickers they include. So first we're going to go ahead and take a look at the polishes. So the first one is Corpse Reviver, and this is an actual nail polish, and it does glow in the dark. I'm so excited to see the glow. The color is gorgeous. And then this beautiful green. Oh my gosh, look at this, how cute it is. Zombie Hut. Oh, it's such a pretty color. I just love it. Very, very pretty green. Don't have anything like this. Yeah, I didn't show that, sorry. Look at this color, how beautiful. Oh, I love it. And then now we're going to take a look at the stamping plates. So we get 2 stamping plates. This is the first one, the MXM 111. Sorry, I was moving my light away so I wouldn't blind you. But look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, Hawaiian Halloween theme. I absolutely love it. Look how cute everything is. Happy Halloween. Oh, so cute. So different. I love it. And then this is MXM 112. This one is super cool. Look at that. Look at that Hawaiian little moonlit scene there. Super cute. Trick or treat. Scary night. Oh, I just love it. This is going to be so fun to do reverse stamping. Alright, so I'm going to get everything ready so we can swatch the polishes. Alright, so we're going to go in with Corpse Reviver, and this is that glow in the dark. I do show the glow in the dark at the end of the video after I did the set. I kind of forgot to show it after I swatched it, but you'll see it in the set, and it is so pretty. Oh my gosh, the glow is beautiful. So yeah, I have not used regular, nail polish in so long, so yeah, you have to wait for it to dry. That's the only thing that I get so impatient about, but yeah, I just left it to the side for it to dry. Now we're going to do Zombie Hut. And this is the stamping polish, and I just love this green. It's so pretty. Look at that. Look how creamy. Very, very pretty color. When I'm going to put on the sticky base, I'm going to put that on the lid there so I can stamp my color on there. So you can see how it looks against like a white background and then a black background. Do this little pineapple or a little jack-o'-lantern. I think it's like a pineapple though. It's cute. So yeah, that's what it looks like there with the black and then the white backgrounds. So yes, I did do 2 coats, and I'm going to go on and put my smudge-free top coat. And then you also have to let this air dry. The top coat doesn't take that long to dry though, so that's good. Alright, so we're going to get started with the little demo here. I'm going to be using a black background for the pinky. I'm going to be doing 2 coats. And then for the index finger, I'm going to go in with the white. Oh, I was just showing my little sweater there. It looks so cute with the little sleeve, the little sweater. Alright, and I did go ahead and already paint the ring finger. I used the Corpse Reviver, the glow-in-the-dark nail polish, so I'm going to go in and paint the middle finger. This color is really, really pretty too. I like it. It's like a purpley pink color. But yeah, they were nice to apply, easy to apply, just you got to wait for them to dry. But I'm telling you, the glow is super cute on this. Sorry, my hand keeps shaking. So on the pinky, we're going to go in with this little ghost, and it has like a hula skirt on. It's super cute. So I'm going to do reverse stamping. All the images here, except for the one on the ring finger, is going to be reverse stamping. I'm having so much fun doing reverse stamping. So yeah, I did the image in black. That way it would blend in with the background. You'd just be able to see, you know, the actual ghost. You wouldn't see like the black out, you know, you wouldn't see an outline. So, and I'm going to be using the tiniest brush that we got as our free gift. So I'm just going to be filling in the ghost with the white. And I did speed these up quite a bit because we'd be here forever, because, you know, you got to make sure you get in the lines. Some of the lines, of course, I didn't do perfectly, but I really like doing reverse stamping, and it's very relaxing to me to do it. So yeah, I really enjoy it. So yeah, you can always flip the stamper over and look and see how you're doing. So I did already go ahead and just fill in the bottom part. And I'm taking this purple here, and we're going to fill in his little, or her, the little flowers on the little headband and then around the lei. Yeah, this brush was perfect. Just super tiny, super fine to really get those tiny, tiny little dots. And so now I'm going to take the polish that came in the kit, and we're going to fill in the little hula skirt. That was Zombie Hut, sorry. But yeah, I think it came out really cute. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my sticky base coat so I can apply the image. Now if you do use gel polish, it does have a tacky layer. But I still just want to use a sticky base just in case. I wanted to make sure it stuck really well. So now we're going to go ahead and place it where we want it on the nail. And yes, it came out super cute. I love it. Showed a little close up there. So now I'm going to go in, and this image here just says boo, and we're going to put that right over the little ghost. I'm going to be using Trickster. This is that green that came in the box of magic, their Halloween mystery box. So yeah, I really like that color. It's perfect for Halloween. And so here I don't know, I was having definitely a blonde moment. It was backwards where it said boo. I was like, what the heck? So yeah, I just had to turn the stamp around. But yeah, look at that, how cute. So now for the index finger, we're going to go in with this image here. It's little pineapples that have like jack-o'-lantern faces, and it has little leaves on it. It's really, really cute. But yeah, look at that, how cute that is. So we're going to go in with Zombie Hut, and I'm going to be using that for the top of the pineapple. And I'm just going to show two because it's exactly the same thing. You're just filling in the image. Sorry, sometimes I kind of drift out of frame because I have to hold it pretty close to my face because the images are tiny, you know, and the lines are so thin. And I actually had to take my glasses off because I can see close up, but I can't see, you know, far away. And I wear my glasses all the time. But yeah, I had to take them off so I could really see close in there because they're tiny. So yeah, you do want to let the image dry a little bit before you do go ahead and stamp it. I know I have it sped up and stuff, but you always want to make sure the image dries before you place it on the nail. So now we're taking Maui Gold, this really pretty yellow, and we're going to fill in the little pineapple jack-o'-lantern. And again, I'm just going to show, I think, one or two, because it's the exact same thing. Oh no, I guess I do show three. Alright, so now I'm taking this really pretty pink. I'll have to get the name of it. I can't think of it off the top of my head right now. I'll put it up on the screen, but that's what I'm using to fill in the little flower that's on top of the pineapple. So I did apply the sticky base and I wait for it to dry. You wait about 30 to 40, well, about 30 seconds to a minute for it to dry. But look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. So yeah, whatever, I'm just pushing down whatever's kind of on the skin, you know, of the finger. But yeah, it came out really cute. So on the middle finger, I'm going to do this little hula witch. I think she's super cute. And I am just going to go ahead and do the outline in black. And you're just taking you can use tape, or I use a lint roller to remove anything that you don't want on the stamper, any images that picked up. So now I'm just taking, I gotta get the name of this, I'm sorry, I'm not at my desk right now. This purple, I believe this is the one that also came in the Halloween mystery box. It's very, very pretty. I love this purple. So I decided to do her hat with this color purple. And then we're going to take Zombie Hut and just fill in her hat. The little, she has like a little ribbon or something go around her hat. And then the pink we're going to use to fill in all the little flowers, the little Hawaiian flowers that she has on her hat. And then she has on a lei around her neck, and then around the skirt, and then even on her wrist she has some little bracelets there. We're just going to fill that in with the pink. But yeah, I think this is such a fun way to create nail art, you know. I mean, you get to pick what colors you want to use. So yeah, I really like it. You know, stickers, you just have your same you got to go with whatever colors are on there. And this, you get to pick whatever colors you want. So yeah, I really like reverse stamping. But on the skirt, I did notice, I think I should have let the black dry a little bit, because it kind of got smudged at the bottom of the skirt, and I did not want to do it over. So yeah, I'm still fairly new to this, but yeah, I should have made it too a little bit thicker. But yeah, I should have waited a little bit longer for the black to dry. So now I'm going to go in with black, and I'm going to fill in her hair. And I did cover up a little bit of her face. I kind of went a little overboard with the black and covered up a little bit of her face, but that's all right. And so since she is a witch, I decided to do her skin color green. So I'm using this, that's Trickster, the one that came in the Halloween mystery box. But yeah, I just thought it was a cute little green to do. Yeah, I think this box was fun, something different. I just love the whole Hawaiian Halloween tiki. It's just really, really cute and different. And you get to use, you know, kind of bright colors. And yeah, I just think it's super fun to do. So again, we're going to go in with the sticky base. You do have to let that dry for, I let it dry for about a minute. And then you can look at your image there. It looks really cute. And look at that, how cute. Oh, I love it. It has little music notes around it. If you see the little black things, they're tiny, tiny little music notes. So on the ring finger, we're going to go in with this little image here. And it says, I think it says Aloha Witches. Yeah, it does. Aloha Witches. And then I'm going to take this little image of a spider web here, and I'm just going to put that at the tip of the nail. I just wanted to add something else to that nail, something a little bit brighter. And then we're going to use some of these neon rhinestones and put that on the ring finger. Going to take green and then yellow. Alright, so this is the finished set here, and I did go in with my smudge-free top coat, but I think it came out super cute. Like I said, the skirt had a little bit of discoloration, but I think it still came out cute. And look at this glow, how pretty. It's like a purpley blue. It's gorgeous. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.